There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Hey, divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now.
Yo, hey, what's up, everybody? What's up? It's your girl A. You know we about to slay the heck out of this wig. Y'all already know what time it is. This is my first wig, girl, okay? So if y'all ain't never heard about my first wig, then I don't know what to tell you, but just hit the link down below and you're gonna see all the wigs that they got to go, okay? First of all, when you get a my first wig, or you get an RPG show wig, which is their sister company, girl, listen, you're gonna be so happy. You're gonna be looking flawless. You're gonna be looking cute. You're gonna be ready to go. You're gonna be looking slayed, okay? We here to slay, not to play. Now I already told y'all, my first wig and their sister company is one of my favorite websites. Like, they give you the best of the best of the best, okay? When I tell you the best of the best of the best, like, it's really the best of the best of the best. And I say this all the time, but they put the love in it. They put their elbows in it, their knuckles in it. You know, they put their foot in it. Girl, they put the love in it, okay? Girl, listen, check out my first wig. It will have you slayed to the gourds, and you will thank me later, okay? So this one right here is a shorty do. This is a bob, okay? And she got some highlights in her, all right? Look at her. She's straight out the box. I didn't do anything. She even is parted to the side like I like. Because y'all know what I say about the bobs. If it's in the middle part, your girls don't want to come out looking all crazy. I got a long head, and when it comes to a bob, I'm gonna need that on the side, baby. We're gonna have to swoop it to the side. But she also has the standard black elastic band that's sewn in, the adjustable strap and comb, and she's also been pre-bleached for you. There are options on the website where you can go ahead and choose lightly bleached, deep bleached, clean hairline. You can choose those options on their website. And if you have not known or aware of, my first wig also has a sales zone website as well. So I will definitely link everything down below for you guys. We're gonna get into this. We're gonna slay like it's our B-day, and then we're gonna go about our way. Okay? Yes.
Well, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the vibe. If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking, boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job, tell me things like I can't hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, you're too out of line. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. I know I just met you, boy, but you got that something that just rocks my world. I can't help but feel like we are meant to be. The way you're talking to me, oh, oh. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it all out.
Whew. All right, you guys, I'm done, girl. What I tell y'all, melted like nobody business, like butter on a skillet, baby. Do it like it's your day. The girl is hot right now, okay? When I tell you I'm having like a hot flash, it's a hot flash. I feel like right now, straight up, I feel like I am in a sauna room. Like I was cool real quick, and somebody just threw me in there, and locked the door. I feel all the steam coming from my head, okay? Girl, that's why I got the fan right here. Whew. Anyway, you know, my first wig always come through. So this one had like a little bumpity bump on the side, girl. You know, I didn't have to really do too much, but just curve it. Because I do like my side part to be curved sometimes. It just gives it like a different look, a different flair, a different lay. You know what I'm saying? I do appreciate the highlights in this. Very beautiful, very subtle. It's not like thrown out there. This lace, girl, you already know about the lace, girl. It's melted. It's invisible. It is the new air lace. Swiss air lace. Girl, you already know with My First Wig. You ready to go, okay? If you are a beginner wig wearer, girl, head on over to My First Wig. They will make sure that you feel so confident putting on a wig, boo, okay? Because like I said, you can get it lightly bleached, deeply bleached, clean hairline, all that stuff. You can put your options because they got those options on there. So if you're new to wigs and you're a little scared, nervous, you know what I'm saying? Don't flinch, baby. Just head over to My First Wigs because they will have you laced. They will have you feeling your confidence, your best, and you will be on your way, girl. Trust me. When I tell you, you will thank me later, okay? Just thank me later, all right? But yes, look at this. Girl, get your mama one, get your sister one, get your auntie one, get your cousin one, get your boyfriend one. The holidays is here. You know, get yourself one. Go ahead and pick up a wig from My First Wig, girl. I always tell y'all, I say the best for the best for the best of the best of the best for last. And this was the last one of the day, okay? I'm just saying, did we slay? Yes. Look at this hairline. Look at this hairline, girl, look. I'm saying, what? Look at this hairline, okay? Now, y'all gonna see me a little bit sweating right here because I'm getting hot, like I said. But look at this. Y'all know I have to have my sideburns. And this is a really, like, this is like one of those sophisticated bobs. If you got like one of those nice jobs, oh, girl, I be rhyming it and don't even mean to. But it's a sophisticated bob. So if you got you an everyday job and you want something simplistic, easy, breezy, then go ahead and get you a wig at Myfirstwig. Need I say more? Yes, need I say more? I love y'all all. Happy holidays. Check the description box below. You already know your girl got to go, but I will definitely see y'all in another video. Oh yeah, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up. Make sure you share with everybody. You know, leave your comments. I will see you in the comments. Send this to your cousin, your mommy, your auntie, your godfather, your godmother, your god cousins, your best friends, your besties, your exes, your enemies. Just share the video, okay? And I will see y'all in another one. Bye.